Hey guys, beautiful night out here in Central Oregon. According to one of the guys that comments, I should be moving to Idaho very soon. But nah, I'll stay here. It's fine. We're getting the crappy politics turned around. Speaking of turning around, let's turn the camera around. Let's see if we can see the sunset a little bit. It's a little late, but let's try it. Look at this place we live in. And my dog down there. Hey, Bailey. Bailey. Hey. Yeah, she's a crazy one. But yeah, look at this beautiful place we live in. That's not the main point of this video, but look at this. Nice peaceful night. It's getting cold though, and that's kind of the point of this quick video for you. So let's go out into my messy garage, and we're gonna do something. Yeah, I still got my thermostat screwdriver on me, so we should be able to do it. Sorry about the dark, guys. Ooh. That's from the live stream last night. If you watched it, you see why I did that. So we're gonna do something. Yeah, everything's messy. I apologize. I'm organizing this crap soon. So, I am going to take my W wire, my backup heat, off of this tonight. Off of my Bosch M20, okay? I did this at my other house. It was on a Coleman, an old Coleman, and it worked okay. It still kept the house about 65 when it was about 10 degrees out. Let's see how this guy does with... Ooh, I can do it real quick too. Oh, let's put this panel right there. So what we're going to do is, there's our equipment. We're just going to pull him out real quick. So let me do that real fast. Okay. There we go. We have no heat strips now. We're going to be on heating stage 1 and 2 of only the heat pump tonight, and it's supposed to be about 10 degrees, like I said. Life is good, huh? Let's see how it does tonight. If it gets cold, I will know, because I have alerts on my thermostat, and I wake up a million times during the night anyway. Let's see if we can see the old Bosch pumping away here. He defrosts a lot. I'm actually going to move him to the back side of the house. Yeah, you can't see anything down here. It's too dark. Sorry, guys. And my light, this stupid motion sensor light. Let's see if I can get the turn. There we go. It turned on. Still can't see much. Anyway, Bosch is there. That green light's for my surge protector, but he's pumping away, defrosting like a banshee. If you know what a banshee is. Oh, sorry. I'll come back inside the house here. It's cold. It's already about 20 degrees, about 5:30-ish. But yeah, so no electric heat strips tonight. That wire's gonna hang there. Let's see how she does. I'm interested personally. There's that old coil. That's the old Mr. Cool line set, which they did a very good job on those with the insulation and the coil, putting that coil on them so you can bend them. And I'm gonna turn that off. Let's go back out to this beautiful night. Yes, my old Christmas tree still laying there. I'm having a good time tonight, guys. Have a few beers. You know, life is good. That's what you got to remember. And I get to look at this every day. And if you see my other videos, you can't see it because we got air stagnation here, so that you can't see the far mountains, but I get a big, beautiful Mount Hood right there. Sorry, guys, I had to turn it off. Thought my daughter was walking out. So, here, Bailey, come here. Come here. Get in there. Anyway, beautiful night. Now the other dog's out taking her crap. But anyway, I won't bore you anymore. I'll give you the results of this tomorrow. That should be fun, huh? Look at this.